The program must have more than one bug. Let's find out what's wrong with the syllable calculation. Before we go too far, let's make sure that text is actually hello. I'll place a breakpoint in the beginning of syllable calculation. I can't place it right here because the declaration of the method isn't really a line that you can run. Now I'll run the program. It still thinks it's running, so I'll just hit terminate. And now I'll run it. I'll keep trying that same sentence. And I'm stopped, and it looks like the text is right this time. It's hello. That's good, so I'll keep stepping. Probably the most interesting part is when count gets incremented. So let's try stepping until that happens. Stepping, stepping, keep going. All right, we're getting closer. We're now inside this for, inside the if. I'll step to the next one. All right, and now I'm at count. What is the value of letter right now? If you step until count is incremented, right here, what is the value of letter?